How to use Snapchat for business. A social media identity is always helpful for improving your business and an excellent way to expand your audience. There are many social media mobile applications, or apps, and websites that can aid in this endeavor, and Snapchat is a popular app to focus on when it comes to face-to-face marketing. Snapchat is a multimedia messaging app that primarily focuses on videos or filtered images. Using those two primary functions, it's not hard to use Snapchat for business and gain a few new loyal customers. How do you promote business on Snapchat? 1. Give special promotions and discounts for new followers. Customers love being appreciated for the time, money, and effort they put toward keeping your business and/or service up and running. Advertise on Snapchat, either through a picture ad or video ad, and give your first 10 or 20 followers a discount on your new product or service. If that doesn't sound so appealing, you could offer another special promotion. How about a free gift for your first 50 followers? This could be special merchandise with your business name on it, or it could be a free service or product for your new customers to try. Engaging with customers fosters stronger customer loyalty, especially when you show your audience that you, as the owner, appreciate all the service they give you, by giving something back. 2. Offer a special first look at a new product. Including people in something special and new is an affable trait that could aid your business well when relating to your customers. The average consumer enjoys feeling special, so giving them an exclusive look at a new product coming out is one of the best ways to get close to your audience and continue to build that customer loyalty. One of the best ways to use Snapchat for business and to engage more customers is by shooting a short video. Include your face and talk directly to them, personally, about a new product. Make your customers feel like family. If you, as the business owner, want to keep a lower profile, you can instead offer your customers a well-designed Snapchat video with engaging graphics and nice colors that aren't too harsh on the viewer's eyes, introducing your product and showing off all of its new features. Either option provides a solidified approach to making the customer experience more intimate and solid. 3. Create a customers-only, behind-the-scenes view of the business. Your business has many moving parts, including staff members, that make it run smoothly and efficiently. However, even though your staff stands together as a business, your business is made up of individual people who all have unique lives and perspectives. Promote your Snapchat and business by creating a special behind-the-scenes look at the people that bring your services and products to life. This can appeal to customers by seeing relatable people they can identify with. Engage with customers by showing them the engineers behind the building of your product or the workers that come to provide the services you offer. You can even hold special live interviews on Snapchat with employees at your company. By showing how human they are as well as how they all have their own feelings, emotions, and charm, you can engage with customers and make them feel right at home. 4. Access to events live. Advertise on Snapchat by doing real-time social media marketing. Give your followers direct access to your live events. Are you participating in trade shows? Will you be sponsoring sports or music events? Your followers will enjoy being part of these exciting occasions, even if they aren't physically there. This will help increase your followers. Snapchat holds a multitude of methods for engaging and bringing in new followers, and the above suggestions can solidify customer loyalty, as well as welcome new customers to follow you and keep in touch with your company. Bring your business online and integrate social media, but consult the experts.